Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release 148 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma Desktop version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine. Then search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser. Click on download Chrome. Then Fedora Linux, we have to select this 64-bit RPM package. Then click on accept and install. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 127 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal or console. Can go to downloads directory, CD downloads, and now install this package. Sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing current stable release 148. See, successfully installed. Go to menu, then search for Chrome. See, you have the Google Chrome, click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep this checkbox, and if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep this checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable release 148 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma Desktop version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.